What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing something absolutely insane. I'm going to show you how to build a real money-making Etsy shop from scratch using nothing but artificial intelligence. And to prove this is legit, I'm giving the first person who comments on this video $1,000 to start their own shop. This is the craziest business idea I've ever seen, and I'm going to walk you through every single step. We're not solving ancient mysteries today. We're cracking the code to making passive income online, and trust me, you won't want to miss a second of this. If you're new here, we usually dive into some of the biggest challenges and opportunities life throws at us, but today's challenge is for your wallet. We're going to build an entire business in this one video. So, if you want to see more insane challenges like this one, you have to smash that subscribe button right now. Seriously, click it. We're on a mission to hit 10 million subscribers, and every single one of you counts. Also, hit the like button so hard that your mouse feels it, because it tells YouTube we're making the best videos on the platform. And I'm not kidding about your ideas. I read every single comment you guys leave. So, down below, tell me what kind of crazy business or life hack you want me to try next. Do you want me to try living on only AI-generated food for a week? Or maybe build a house using only tools I can buy on Amazon? The most liked comment with a crazy idea might just become our next video, and I'll fly you out to be in it. Now, let's build this Etsy empire. Alright, first up, we're diving into the easiest and fastest product you can possibly make: printable wall art. This is literally free money waiting for you. People go on Etsy, they find a design they love, they pay you, and they print it themselves. You do the work once, and you can sell it 1,000,000 times. It's the ultimate passive income machine. The best part, you don't need to be an artist. You don't need any creative talent. All you need is an AI, and I'm going to show you exactly how we're going to turn this robot into our personal art factory. We're starting with ChatGPT. Think of this as your genius creative director who works for free. We're not just asking it for a simple quote, we're going bigger. I'm going to tell it, act as a marketing expert for home decor. Generate 50 unique, inspiring, and funny quotes about coffee for a series of minimalist kitchen wall art prints. Boom! Instantly, we have 50 different potential bestsellers. We could have quotes like, "My blood type is coffee," or something more elegant like, "A morning without coffee is like sleep." We have an endless supply of ideas, more than we could ever design. Now we take these golden ideas over to Canva. If you're not using Canva, you are missing out. It's a free design tool that is so easy, a 5-year-old could use it. We're going to open a new design, maybe a standard 8 by 10 inch canvas. We pick a clean, simple font. We type in one of our amazing AI-generated quotes. We can add a tiny minimalist graphic like a coffee bean. And that's it. We just created a professional-looking piece of wall art in less than 3 minutes. Now imagine doing this for all 50 quotes. That's 50 products ready to sell. It's literally that easy. Okay, product number 2 is a huge market. I'm talking about weddings. People spend thousands of dollars on weddings, and we're about to get a piece of that pie with wedding invitation templates. Every single couple needs invitations, and they want something unique and special. But guess what? They also want it to be easy. That's where we come in. We're going to use AI to become the world's best wedding invitation writer, creating wording so beautiful, it will make you cry. This is a massive opportunity, and the competition has no idea what's coming. Back to our best friend, ChatGPT. This time our prompt is going to be more specific. I'm telling it, you are a professional wedding planner. Write 5 different styles of wedding invitation text. Include a romantic and poetic style, a modern and minimalist style, a fun and casual style, a rustic and charming style, and a formal and traditional style. Just like that, ChatGPT spits out entire templates. It gives us wording for the invitation itself, for the RSVP card, for the details card, everything. We have the entire suite ready to go for every type of couple imaginable. Then we jump back into Canva. This is where the magic happens. We search for wedding invitation template, and Canva gives us thousands of starting points. We can pick a beautiful floral design, a sleek modern one, or a rustic craft paper look. Then, we just copy and paste our AI-generated text into the template. We make sure the names, dates, and locations are easy for the customer to edit. We save it as a customizable template, and bam! We have a high-value product that people will pay good money for. We can create dozens of variations, cornering the entire market without ever leaving our chair. This next one is for everyone who wants to get their life together. We're creating budget planners. Think about it. Every single month, People decide they need to get better with their money. They go to Etsy looking for a tool to help them. We are going to sell them that tool, and we're going to make it better than anyone else's because we have an AI financial advisor on our team. We're not just making a blank spreadsheet, we're creating a life-changing financial product. This is going to be the best budget planner on the entire internet. So, how do we make the best planner? We ask the smartest brain on the planet, ChatGPT. Our prompt will be, act as a certified financial planner. Design the ultimate monthly budget planner. What categories are essential? Include sections for income tracking, fixed expenses like rent, variable expenses like groceries, debt snowball tracking, savings goals, and a monthly financial reflection. Provide prompts for the reflection section. The AI will literally outline the entire product for us. It will give us every single category, every subsection, every smart prompt to make our planner incredibly valuable. Once we have the blueprint from our AI genius, it's back to our design studio, Canva. We'll start a new A4 or letter-sized document. We'll create a clean, organized layout with tables and lines. We'll use the categories ChatGPT gave us: monthly income, fixed expenses, savings goals. We can add some simple, motivating icons. We design a cover page, the monthly budget sheets, the debt tracker, the savings tracker. We build the whole thing page by page. We bundle it all into one printable PDF, and we have a product that people will use every single day. This isn't just a product, it's a solution to a real problem. Okay, this next idea is for all the parents out there. You know how hard it is to keep kids entertained and learning, right? We're about to solve that problem and make a ton of money doing it. We're creating kids' activity sheets. These are things parents can download and print in seconds to keep their kids busy, whether it's on a rainy day, during a long car ride, or just when they need 5 minutes of peace. This market is gigantic, and with AI, we can create an infinite number of fun, educational games that kids will actually love. We're going to use ChatGPT as our personal game designer and teacher. Check out this prompt. You are an elementary school teacher. Generate 20 ideas for printable activity sheets for children aged 5 to 7. Include ideas for math puzzles, word searches with themes like animals or space, coloring pages with educational facts, and simple creative writing prompts. In seconds, ChatGPT will give us a treasure trove of incredible ideas. It might suggest a dinosaur bone counting game or a rainforest animal word search. We have endless content without having to do any of the hard brainstorming ourselves. Now we unleash our inner child in Canva. This is the fun part. We'll create a new, colorful design. We can search Canva's library for cute graphics of animals, stars, or race cars. We'll use big, fun fonts. We can quickly create a maze, lay out a word search using a table, or design a coloring page by combining different elements. We can make them bright, engaging, and professional looking in minutes. We can bundle them together, like a space adventure activity pack, and sell them as a single, irresistible product. Parents will thank us, and our bank account will thank us too. Our final product is for every single small business owner, creator, or influencer out there. We're creating social media content calendars. What's the one thing all of these people struggle with? Knowing what to post every single day. It's a huge headache. We are going to sell them the ultimate cure. We'll offer printable, pre-filled content calendars that give them ideas for an entire month. This is an incredibly high-value product because it saves people time and stress, and we can create it almost automatically. You guessed it, we're putting ChatGPT to work as our expert social media strategist. The prompt is key here. Act as a social media marketing guru. Create a 30-day content calendar template for a small business that sells handmade candles. Include a mix of post types, behind the scenes, product spotlights, user-generated content prompts, educational posts about candle care, and promotional posts. Provide a specific idea for each day. ChatGPT will generate a full 30-day plan that is genuinely useful. It's a ready-made strategy we can sell. We take this goldmine of information and make it look beautiful in Canva. We'll design a calendar grid template. It could be a monthly view or a weekly view. We'll make it clean, professional, and easy to read. For each day, we'll plug in the content ideas that ChatGPT gave us. We can even add a section for notes or a hashtag checklist. We can create different versions for different niches. One for coffee shops, one for fitness coaches, one for artists. We're not just selling a blank template. We're selling a complete, expert-level content strategy that's ready to print and use immediately. It's the ultimate business-to-business digital product. And that's it. We just built the foundations for an entire Etsy empire in just a few minutes using the insane power of AI. We created 5 different high-demand products that you can start selling literally today. This is not a drill. This is a real opportunity, and I just gave you the entire playbook for free. I want you to go out there and actually do this. The only thing stopping you is you. If this video helps you make even $1, then it was a massive success. Thank you so much for watching. I genuinely appreciate every single one of you who stuck around to the end. Remember to check out the tools we used. I'll put links to ChatGPT and Canva down in the description. They are game changers, and you can start using both of them for free right now. Go play around with them and see what incredible ideas you can come up with. The possibilities are literally endless, and you have nothing to lose by trying. Go build your dream business, and don't forget to come back and tell me all about your success in the comments. I'll be reading them. This was one of the most fun videos we've ever made. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next crazy challenge we take on. We post videos that will change your life, so you want to be here for the next one. Thank you again for everything. You guys are the best audience on the planet. Now go start that business. I'll see you in the next video.